I would say if you want a Hayden home, go for it. I would highly recommend them. And I will tell you this, I had people come by and watch this being built in the next neighborhood that I didn't know. I know them, but I didn't know they were coming by. They found out it was our house and they got done and they said, we want to let you know we've been watching that house being built this whole time. They said it's a very well constructed house. They said I would be very happy to have that. So that was pretty nice.
For me, the company itself just represents something that resonates with our values.
It says a lot, actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think the quality and the communication and it was just not stressful like you hear about in many experiences with building a new home. Every time I thought about building a new home, I just could just stress about the costs and extra costs and all those things. And Hayden Homes really made it very easy and upfront, so we knew all of the costs, didn't have any kind of surprises going, after we signed. So it was a good experience. And then this new home was priced so well. In fact, that we work a lot of hours, we have a lot of kids, and even though they're grown up in a way, we just didn't want to spend the time having to remodel and rebuild. So buying new just felt right for us because then we didn't have to do upkeep.
We sold our house so fast when we put money down on this house that we had to move into a RV, and so for 10 weeks, and so we had weekly updates, and so our little date nights were to come by and see the house, and every time we did, it was amazing because it was as far along as he said or farther, and we didn't expect it, and so it was just like clockwork, and it was really amazing.
All of those deadlines were made, and so it just really eased the way. And
a lot of little things they did really well that you wouldn't know by just coming in and looking, from
the quality of the materials and understanding all the warranties, going through all of those things was really, really helpful.
And we have to say, and this is pretty unusual from what we've heard, we've been here a year and we're supposed to write things down and get it done, and so far nothing. So that's pretty amazing.
My favorite thing is the master bathroom's amazing, and the tub's really nice.
Yeah.
But I think also the flow overall, it just works really well for us.
It's got a great flow. This water brook is perfect for us. When we have company, the whole basement is
it's not a basement. We talk about this all the time.
Yes,
he calls
okay.
the first floor a basement, just so
I'm sorry, yes. So the first floor actually is nice because if you have company, you can have people that go to bed if they want to, or whatever, which our kids, when they usually stay up, and it's been, we just love the flow of it.
Just those little touches that make a difference, and I don't know that you get that with everyone. We're just huge fans of the Hayden home and this water brook that we have.
Absolutely.
It's beautiful.
I absolutely would recommend Hayden Homes, and I can assure you she would too, because I don't know that I would ever want somebody else to build a home for us, actually, because everything was just worked too well. And why take a chance?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. We're not even in it a year yet, but it seems like our forever home, so.